A friend asked, "What should we do to relax when our hand feels uncomfortable?" Find this area. Let's do a massage on it. Do you feel any soreness or numbness?
Yes.
Good, it's this spot. Use both thumbs to massage it. Keep massaging until you reach the area next to the armpit. All right, do this motion 30 times. Next is this triangular area. Use the thumb to massage the middle point. Do you feel a strong soreness or numbness?
Yes.
After 20 times. Now, let's relax the entire forearm. Massage from this area towards the direction of the forearm. Use both thumbs to do it. Little by little, massage from the shoulder down to the forearm. Keep massaging until the wrist is completely relaxed. Fully relax the whole hand. Lastly, massage between each finger in the palm. Rub and knead in the direction of the fingers. You will also feel soreness or numbness here, right?
Yes.
And don't forget to massage the thumb and the webbing between the thumb and index finger. All right, after completing the entire set, the discomfort in the hand can be greatly relieved.